First subject is chemistry. This food is from Turkey, kebab of Turkey. It is from Vietnam. Okay. Wait. Quay. Yep. That's my class. That's my classmate. Yep, they all gathered there. So many. Okay, let's really crowd. There you go. So good. Alright, well, let's go home. Damn. Now I'm going home and the weather outside is extremely hard. Yeah, I have to wear like this. And moreover, the test I did it well. Not the best, but intermediate. I think I will be more than 8 marks in 2 subjects, physics and chemistry. Yeah, so good. And in the afternoon there will be literature in city in 90 minutes. Wait for a minute. Damn, I don't have any time. Stay here, boy. Let's go. The weather outside is really hot. I have to get this sunglasses to protect from the sunlight. Yeah, I have covered all my body. Whatever. Let's go. super duper hot. Well, I didn't need it too good, but I have done all the session, all the tests. Yeah. I hope I will be over 7, at least. Okay, I'm going to lend my brother a key because he lost his key for his motorcycle, and this is the place that the class will be doing. But this is the main station of the metro. Yeah, really long, really big. There's haven't been anything much, but this will be enormous in the future. Maybe more 5 or 10 years later. I'm waiting for my brother, and he will come from that place, and he will take the keys, and I go back to the extra class. Someone has taken Juan's motorcycle. Oh shoot.
Được. Để cho rách này.
Lên dốc luôn. Dữ ra.
Khỏe á.
Coi chân.
Gồng đi. So that's all for the exams. I have done all of them, except civic. There's no announcement about civic. Yeah. So maybe next week we'll have a civic test. And now I have done all of the tests. I'm free. I'm absolutely free, and my brains feel really free. Kinda free. Kinda no stress around my mind or any kind of headache. I feel better after the exam. So good. And now I don't have anything to do. So I will end this vlog.